Welcome to Bike Legend Pro, your ultimate destination for classic rides and automotive legends. Today, we're diving into the story of a true icon, the Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. Known for its rugged design, unstoppable performance, and timeless charm, this vehicle laid the foundation for India's off-roading culture. Let's explore how this simple yet powerful machine became a legend on wheels. Birth of a legend. The story of the Mahindra CJ3B begins in the early 1950s, shortly after India gained independence. Mahindra, then a young company, started assembling Willys Jeeps under license from the United States. The CJ3B, short for Civilian Jeep 3B, was introduced in 1953 as an upgrade to the earlier CJ models. Its most distinct feature was the high hood, designed to accommodate the taller F-head, Hurricane, petrol engine. This design change gave the CJ3B its instantly recognizable silhouette, tall, boxy, and purposeful. Built to conquer any terrain. The CJ3B wasn't about luxury or comfort, it was about reliability and endurance. Its 2.2-liter Hurricane engine produced around 72 horsepower, modest by today's standards but more than enough for its lightweight body and 4x4 drivetrain. Whether it was navigating rocky hills, muddy fields, or dense forests, the CJ3B handled it all with ease. Farmers, military units, and adventurers quickly fell in love with its go-anywhere spirit. Over the years, it proved itself as a vehicle that simply refused to quit. Design and durability. At first glance, the Mahindra CJ3B may look simple: flat fenders, minimal interior, and bare metal design. But every inch of it served a purpose. Its short wheelbase and high ground clearance gave it excellent maneuverability, while the manual four-wheel drive system offered unmatched control on challenging terrain. The absence of unnecessary electronics or plastic meant one thing: fewer failures. Mechanics loved it for its simplicity, and owners appreciated how easy it was to repair, even in remote areas. A timeless classic. Even decades after production ended, the CJ3B remains a favorite among collectors and restorers. Many enthusiasts still use it for off-road rallies and adventure drives, proving that good engineering never gets old. The CJ3B also laid the foundation for Mahindra's modern SUVs like the Thar, which proudly carry its DNA. Conclusion: the spirit lives on. The Mahindra CJ3B isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of Indian automotive history. It represents resilience, simplicity, and the joy of pure, mechanical driving. From battlefields to farms and mountain trails, the CJ3B earned its legendary status through hard work and dependability. And even today, its spirit lives on in every Mahindra built for adventure. This is Bike Legend Pro, celebrating timeless machines that define generations.